Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today is gagawa naman tayo ng another tutorials kung paano gumawa ng bank, kung paano mag-open account sa PS Bank. So uno guys, kung wala pa kayong PS Bank apps, punta lang kayo sa Play Store or App Store, tapos search nyo lang dito PS Bank. Yan, so ito yung lalabas, PS Bank. So meron siya ditong 3.5 review stars. So ito yung mga reviews niya. So click natin itong see all reviews. Then dito yung makikita o mababasa yung kanilang mga feedbacks regarding this PS Bank mobile application. So meron dito nagbigay ng 1 stars, 2 stars, 3 stars, 1 star again, and then 2 stars, and then yan, marami pa siyang iba feedbacks. So once yun nakita nyo ng review, nabasa nyo na, click nyo lang yung button dito nga install, and then pagkatapos ma-install nyo siya, open nyo lang, antay lang siya mag-load, and then ito na siya. So meron dito sa dashboard nila, makita mo dito yung kanilang view. Example nito, quick view. Meron siyang quick view dito naman na option, at saka meron dito in-app OTP. So dito naman meron siyang username and password, and then login. So kung meron na kayong account, pwede kayo dito magdiretso, login nyo lang dito yung username at password, and then login. So kapag hindi naman kayo or wala pa kayong account at hindi pa kayo not enrolled in PS Bank Mobile, so click nyo lang itong sign up now. Kung meron na kayong account tapos wala pa kayong PS Bank enrolled, yan yung ibig sabihin niya. So mag-sign up kayo dito. Kapag wala pa talaga, is new user pa lang, click yun itong open a new depositor, new deposit account. So nawala. Balik tayo sa apps. Since na-download ko na siya, dito na siya sa aking menu. So i-click nyo lang itong open a new deposit account. So dito guys, may lalabas na reminder. So if you are already a PS Bank mobile user, press back to login page, then log in to open another deposit account. So ng pangalawa is if you are not yet a PS Bank mobile user and is an existing depositor or loan customer, press back to login page, then sign up to use PS Bank mobile. So number 3 is if you are a new PS Bank customer who wishes to open a new account, press continue. So ito na yung ating gagawin. So continue, kasi wala pa akong account. So ayan, open an account. Welcome to PS Bank online accounts opening facility. So you are now open to PS Bank savings online account. So having a PS Bank savings account allows you to save, transfer funds, pay bills, and reload your mobile without a maintaining balance. Simply fill out the online account opening form. Ito yung kanilang for more information. Please contact our customer experience hotline, and you may also reach us online through PS Bank live chat on our website. Click yung proceed. So meron naman siyang magpa-pop up na important. Before proceeding, please note that our online account opening facility is currently limited to Filipino citizen age 18 and older. So pasok naman tayo dito kasi nandito tayo sa Pilipinas. So click continue. And then dito yung kanilang terms and conditions. Yan, so PS Bank mobile banking terms and conditions. So dito basahin nyo lang siya. Click nyo itong read more. Scroll up nyo lang siya guys, basahin nyo siya. Kanilang terms and conditions. Ayan, pagkatapos nyo na siya mabasa, so click nyo na itong I agree to the terms and conditions stated above. And proceed. So dito guys is mamimili lang tayo dito ng ID o national or any valid government ID na meron kayo. So ito yung mga kailangan niya. So kung meron kayong postal ID with QR code, Philippine passport, driver's license, Unified Multipurpose ID or UMAID, SSID, PRC ID or Philippine National ID. So wala, itong postal ko is expired na, so ito na gamitin national ID. So dito guys is makikita nyo dito yung isa natin siya. So ito yung scan niya sa front of ID. So place your ID within the frame to take photo. Make sure the picture has no glare and not blurred. So ayun guys, yun ay yung mga proseso kung paano magkuha ng valid ID sa front and back. So sunod naman natin fill outan is itong personal information. So make sure the personal information you provide matches your valid ID. So kung ano yung pangalan, address, edad yung nakalagay sa valid ID, yun yung dapat nakalagay din dito sa yung complete name. So fill out nyo lang siya. Then birthplace, kung saan kayo dito. Mobile number, email address. Make sure yung email address you guys is active siya, kasi doon nila isi-send yung video call schedule before kayo makapag-proceed sa opening account. Dapat talaga active email address. Mas maganda yung email address yung gagamitin. Yan po. Then dito guys is meron ditong tanong, are you also a US citizen or resident? Tick na natin no, kasi andito tayo sa Pilipinas. Then are you an elected, appointed public servant or government official? So no pa rin. So tatlo, you are related in any way to an elected, appointed public servant or government official. So click no, then proceed. Ito yung permanent address. Yan. I-search lang dito guys sa choose province para makita yung province nyo, kung saan kayo, kung saan province kayo. So ito yung nilalagay ko, municipality. Choose city or municipality. So yan. Yan, mag-automatic na siya maglagay ng zip code and country. This is also my mailing address. Yes. So, proceed. So, meron dito na namang sasagutan like financial information, source of funds. Source of funds is meron dito nakalagay business, donation, employment, foreign investment, pension. So saan kayo dito na belong. So yan, click nyo lang dito. Hanapin nyo lang kung saan yung trabaho yung na belong. Yan, so saan ba ito? Ayan, so ito yung lalagay ko dito guys. Ito si Convenience Grocery Retail Store. to proceed. Yan. So, meron dito nakalagay sa photo, get ready to take a photo of yourself. So, make sure you are in a well-lit area. Hold the camera away from your face. Position your face within the frame. So, ipapakita ko siya guys mamaya. So, ito na guys. Tapos na ako nagkuha ng litrato. So, ito na yung the last is the summary. So, dito makikita yung salary. Example, i-verify that if the details you provided are correct. So, i-check nyo siya before nyo confirm application. Yan. And then, confirm application. Yan, so dito naman is maglagay tayo dito ng place, nominate your login credentials. Mag-set din tayo dito ng password. Dapat sa password nyo guys is meron siyang from the first is meron siyang capital letters, and then the lower cap letters, and at least one number or symbol. So, pag tapos na, click nyo itong proceed. Proceed may not use your password. Once naka-receive na ka ng OTP guys, enter nyo lang dito, and then ito click 25146 i-click nyo lang submit. So dito guys is may nakalagay na ATM card request. So if your account is approved, would you like to have an ATM card? So meron dito nakalagay na kung gusto mong ma-deliver is sa yung mailing address, magbabayad ka ng 200 sa delivery fee. Kung gusto mo naman i-pick up sa any branch. So ayan, yan yung example na card. Kung ayaw mo naman, may nakalagay ito na I don't want a card now. So kung gusto, example, ito yung pipiliin natin. Ayan, your application savings, advice. Salamat guys sa panonood. So pagkatapos nyo nang masubmit yung ID nyo at saka na-confirm nyo na meron kayong marireceive na email galing kay PS Bank. So ito, i-click nyo lang siya. Meron siyang confirmation. So ito yung i-text ni PS Bank. So may nakalagay dito na thank you for your application for a PS Bank savings account. This has been submitted for review. Kindly wait for an SMS email for the next steps in your application. So details of your request are as follows. So ito yung reference number, account name, then date kung kailan kayo nag-open account. And then meron nakalagay sa ibaba nga if you did not initiate this application or should you have further inquiries concern. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, mangyaring tumawag lamang sa kanilang customer service 24/7 guys. Yung hotline nila na sa ibaba. So hanggang dito lang guys. Sana nakatulong and please consider subscribe me on my YouTube channel to support my small vlog. Thank you and God bless.